Today I'm going to show you how to install the Greatmats Diamond Garage floor tiles. First, we're going to start off with cleaning the floor, just to get rid of any debris before putting the tile down. Alright, let's get the boxes out. The garage tiles are 1 by 1 feet with 5/8 of an inch in thickness. They have a beautiful diamond pattern on them. The back has ridges that can evenly distribute weight. These tiles have a 10,000 pound load capacity. I'm using the black and gray to create a checkerboard pattern for my garage. The tiles interlock using a loop and hook system for easy installation and a good grip. You can use a rubber mallet or your feet to lock the tiles together. Okay, we're about halfway done and it's starting to come together. I'm adding borders to give my car a smoother transition onto the tiles. Plus, I think it completes the look. The borders have the same interlock mechanism and snap in place with ease. We also have borders for the corner pieces as well, just to round off the edges. Overall, I think this looks great. It makes the garage feel cooler. It's perfect for taking pictures of my car and is a great affordable option on the market. Go check them out.